I'm Gillian Triggs, the President of the Australian Human Rights Commission. Well, I've known about PILCH as it's developed from the late 80s, I think, as part of my role as a lawyer, really, and certainly as a public international lawyer, very aware of the role that PILCH has played in implementing the international human rights standards that I've always been interested in. But my more closer contact arose when I came to Sydney about 6 years ago as Dean of the Faculty of Law at the University of Sydney, and I was invited to join the board. From the point of view of the Australian Human Rights Commission, PILCH is absolutely invaluable. In the sense that it follows through with some of the work that we get engaged in. We have about between 18 and 20,000 inquiries and complaints a year. And we operate from a perspective of international human rights law. But very often we can refer people through to PILCH, and they will ensure that whether it's a question of homelessness or mental illness or a criminal record being unfairly taken into account, these issues can be picked up where we've done all we can at a legal level, and we've approached the Minister or we've reported to Parliament, but we find that PILCH is always there to pick up where we can't take the matter any further. And so from the point of view of the Human Rights Commission, we see that as a really part of the delivery of proper legal services to the wider Australian public. My very heartiest congratulations to Justice Connect. I've always been a little bit troubled coming originally from Melbourne and then to Sydney, seeing them as essentially different organisations, although obviously with connections, but to formalise this and to bring this body of lawyers, barristers, law firms and the business community together across these two most populous states, I think is going to jettison the organisation forward. It will add value, or it will be greater than the sum of its parts. I know that more can be achieved when you pull these groups together, and I know the membership will increase, and I think your capacity to deliver the service, which is essentially the objective, will be significantly increased, and the end result will be that the people who most need it will actually start to receive those services across Australia, and I'd like to see that idea develop at a broader national level.